Hi, welcome to Gambling with Grunk. I'm your host, Grunk. Today we're in my parents' basement after Cindy, my girlfriend, has kicked me out because I gambled a big portion of our joint savings account in a bad poker game. So I was just really stoned, and that's the end of that. So today we're going to learn how to play Texas Hold'em. But first, a message. So to start off Texas Hold'em, you get dealt two cards. Oh great, this is the 2 and the 7. This is the worst possible hand you can have. We're gonna now start with the flop. So we get 3 cards out. You know, they say three's company. And now I have my parents as company, so. So next card is the turn. Is it the turn? Yeah, next we got the turn. Here we go. Oh, now we got 2 pairs. How did that plant get there? So we're going to go now to the river. This is the final card. This is the most important part. So here we go. And it's the Queen of Hearts. I just feel like you were my Queen of Hearts, Cindy. Well, that's how you play Texas Hold'em. I think dinner's ready, so I hope you learned a lot on this lesson. Please like and share my videos. Gambling with Grunk.